To fix Windows 11's slow performance problem, try these three methods. First of all, right-click on the Start menu. From these options, click on Task Manager. Now, the Task Manager window will open. Click on this three lines here. From these options, click on Startup Apps. Now, from here, you can find the applications that start working automatically when you start Windows. Disable the applications that don't you want to start automatically when you log into your system. Click on that app. From these options, click on Disable. Next method. Type in the search box, adjust the appearance. Then click on the first result. Now in this window, select this option, Adjust for Best Performance. Then click Apply, and then OK. Please remember, this option will turn off all fancy effects like window animations and shadows. Next method, right-click on the Start menu. From these options, click on Run. Now in this Run command box, type as you can see on the screen. Then click OK. Now this window will open. Here, select all these items in this window and hit Delete key in your keyboard along with pressing Shift key. Then all these temporary files will be deleted. OK, now you have done it. Now your Windows 11 will perform better than before. Thank you for watching this video by High Tech Tips.